in. So many books. Of course, books are life. Wow. That's why you are the smartest. You have anything to play? Aha! We can play reading games. Any other games? Of course. Yay! PlayStation 5. Nah, it's Workstation 5. Let's exercise instead. Sure. I love exercising. I'm ready. Here. Rubik's Cubes to exercise our brains. I don't even have a brain. Time to make book juice. Book juice? It will make you smarter. Done! Shower must be sleepy.